I have a Lincoln Aviator, and the linkage to the shifter broke, and I looked up another video online, told me to take this all out, which I did. To get to it, well, that was a major pain, and I think I cracked this area right there, which I didn't need to do. But I did take it out, and then I realized, oh, look, there's this panel right here on the driver's side that comes out. I'd already taken this out of there, and I want to show you what the issue was. That right there broke where it connects to the shifter and wouldn't let me shift. I actually didn't do it myself because I have a friend that works at a transmission place, so I took it to him. In doing this, I was able to tape it back up, get it to the transmission place, and have them do it. And while I'm doing a quick video, this is a new acquisition that we got in. It's as I said, a Lincoln Aviator 2005. They come out with the new Lincoln Aviators now, and they're really nice, but these are also nice. They're based on the Explorer. You can get the all-wheel or the two-wheel drive. This is the two-wheel drive. The cool thing about this car is it has a unique engine. Well, it's an engine that came in the Ford Mustang Cobra, as well as the Lincoln Mark 8. Look at that. Normally this would have a black cover over it. When I got this one, it didn't have the cover. Somebody took it, I guess, or it broke, I don't know. But it has a big Lincoln logo, which would be nice to get it again. I can get it online, I think for 70 bucks. I might do that, but who knows. Anyway, look at the size of these heads. These are dual overhead cam, 4 valve per cylinder. It's rated at 302 horsepower, but 350 pound-feet of torque, so it's a torquey motor. And it's very low-end torque, so you can easily turn the tires on these, which is kind of fun. I'll do a quick review or view around the vehicle. This one's in like a cream color. This one has 3 rows of seats, which is always nice. Has this little lever that you pull the seats up. I didn't do a detail yet on this one, so pardon the mess. This is kind of interesting. I don't know what that is. I guess I'm actually not sure what that is. It's on both sides, so it must supposed to be there. It folds flat down like that. Maybe that's something with the other seats. I don't know. Has I bought a tow hitch for this one because I had to tow something. There's a little disc compartment there. Lock and unlock from the back. This one has the DVD system, entertainment system, and the center console, or the overhead console there. I like the setup of these, and it rides very nice. It's a truck, based on a truck, but it is a smooth riding truck. And as I mentioned, this isn't detailed yet, but I did wipe it down. This was a mess, especially because I had a couple of things done, and mechanics, you know, they like to put fingerprints on everything, and I literally had fingerprints all over this. What I used instead of, you know, some crazy expensive car stuff, Wanda, my wife, mentioned to use these. They're just Members Mark or Sam's Club wet wipes that she uses with the grandkids. And I just tried it on the outside chrome, and it looks amazing. I also tried it on the wheels, well, this wheel, And it looks really good too. I'll show you one of the other ones. Here, I'll go the other side and show you one that I haven't done yet. And show you how, like, that's spotted, that is all gone. One other interesting feature, this has cup holders back here as well as the rear control and a 12 volt and a little cubby hole there. But you pop that open and there's bigger cup holders. And here's how you get in the back. You just pull that down and then one more time and it pops up, and there you enter into the back seats. Some other features I like about this car, this has a little hideaway for the radio system. It's not the greatest radio in the world, but it does sound really good. It is a 6-disc, you know, kind of antiquated, just plain radio there. But what I do like about it is it doesn't have any of the settings of the car built into the radio, such as a Mercedes or a BMW or an Acura, other cars that we've had. If you replace the radio, those settings can't be changed, and you know, there's settings for like seat positions, things like that, where this is just a radio. So it is, like I said, 6-disc, I think I said that. And other things I like, this one does have the sunroof. It is very easy to turn. The steering is you know, super easy. I think it is variable assist, so on the highway it's a little stiffer, makes it easier to stay in the lane. Has the steering wheel controls. So it has the basic stuff like your seat position memory, fog lights, automatic lights. Your seats are over here, which I kind of like that better than being where you can't reach them. It does have cooled seats and heated seats, so that's my seat cooler, seat heater. It also, you can change where the pedal is, pedal position, standard stuff here. So here's the settings, setup, and they're all done through the dashboard instead of, like I said, through the stereo, which I really appreciate. So that way I can replace the stereo with something that I like that has Pandora, or you know, like a Apple CarPlay or whatever, or navigation. So it does also have the rear controls. External temperature is, I couldn't find it before because it was set like that. I realized, oh, here it is right here. Press external, and also I didn't realize this that's obviously the compass. I was looking for that earlier as well. Well, before I go through the features of the settings, I thought I'd share the verse of the day. Jesus replied, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it. Love your neighbor as yourself." There it is. That's from the NIV version. So anyway, the settings here are, you can do units, auto locks on off, easy exit seat that backs up your seat when you take the key out, auto lamp delay, and that's how you reset your oil. So the other info in here is miles per gallon, time, trip, and miles to empty. So it's all the basic stuff. Anyway, that's it. You can see more online at rnwautos.com. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.